play the hills.
T-52, a T-37, a couple croms. Let's post up on our hill here and have the light tanks play.
Mini, I'm behind you on your right.
All right. Which way you going?
To your right.
Okay.
Straight to your right.
Got that building. For a minute, huh? Oh well.
Guess all clearing your guns there.
No, I was trying to shoot down the wall
No,
in front of me.
I forgot that building break up. I just hate to leave any kind of cover in the cap.
Absolutely right thing to do.
Castle or blimp? Castle or blimp?
Not castle.
Not bad.
Feeling like they went blimp.
Or they're camping.
Or they're
Blimp
Or they're
side.
camping. B-52 back at our base.
Blimp camp.
I think I just got spotted. Nope, I'm clean.
He's just trying to find us.
Do you spot anyone?
I am your father.
Crap.
If you all hit him at once, he's gonna die.
More than one.
Good kill, good kill.
I got spotted.
So did I.
There's a Fury over here.
Fury's out of my
Not a
range.
Fury, it's a furry.
Goddamn fuzzies.
Sorry. Okay. There's a plane above my head.
Hey, can be careful. Don't get sucked into the trap.
Oh, I'm.
Oh, what
I'm
am I
at
doing?
Point.
I hear a spotter plane above me.
That damn blimp up there.
Oh,
They
there
must
we
be.
go.
They must be
The
holding.
Zeppelin, that's right.
Goodyear works for him. Oh, hey, look, ours. Look south.
Oh, look, you found stuff south.
Good spotting, by the way, guys.
Yeah.
Actually, I don't have shots anymore.
Let's see if we can't get for this T-50. Their eyes will be gone.
You can destroy this building that's blocking your shots on that. Okay, maybe I'm wrong.
Yeah, it won't.
Their lights are dead, by the way.
Yeah, I'm
Yep.
moving.
Yeah, I just rammed one.
They are actually separated, so choose a target and move in.
We left. Oh, look, he's right here.
Oh, sorry there, mini dump. Oh my
Good
Bang,
god.
bang, bang.
Why?
Oh,
Yeah, twice.
My team hates me.
Star, that was me
RNG
that
hates
tracked you,
me.
so he'd run into you.
You did that on purpose?
That wasn't on purpose, but it worked.
ish.
So sorry,
Yeah.
Mini. Especially on that second one. That was a. You weren't even in my reticle when I fired. The first one I rolled the dice and I lost.
You guys had too much fun that